use your neck.
Can I use my leg now? No.
No. If you get hit in the back, you die.
Hey, ah, you didn't do that. What?
What?
Dude, I got you in the leg!
You did?
Yes!
Am I supposed to hop? Like not use? How am I supposed to not use my leg?
What happens if you lose both your legs?
I'm out!
Then you die.
Let me zoom up on this.
No, you shouldn't.
Oh, it turns off if you zoom in too far because that's how ghetto it is. So, and my I belt just broke, got man. This is a hard battle. I just got hurt.
Look at them go. Woo, go like this.
I chopped off your leg. Here you go.